This is Matilda and Jasper's past kitten. Someone did put down a deposit on her, but then they decided that they were not ready for her right now. So she is still available. I think she is 14 weeks now. She is a chocolate, and she is getting little white hairs like her dad has. Last time we had one from Matilda and Jasper, her tail went kind of like a raccoon, so that was pretty neat. It's very unique. Yeah. I love her brown chocolate color. Let me see if I can get it in here. She's so pretty. She is very, very reduced. She is a pure Persian. Mom and Dad are both Persians, and she is only 400. And she is ready now to leave for her new family.